Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm making Creole spice delicata fries with flaked Brussels aioli. Sounds complicated, it's not. Simple to make, and oh my goodness, it is delicious. Check it out. Alright, so these are some of my most fun favorite squashes to work with. One of the best things about delicata squash is you can eat the skin. So I'm going to leave the skin on, going to cut it in half, scoop out the seeds, and I'm going to then cut these half moon shapes, trying to get even cuts, but I'm not really stressing about it too much. Then I'm going to take the delicata after I get it all cut up, put it in a bowl, add some olive oil, about a tablespoon or so, and the spice packet. And you can see the spice profile on my website with the full recipe. It's a Creole spice, really nice, got a nice pepperiness to it. Gonna pull out some parchment paper, put it on a cookie sheet, turn out our squash into the oven at 375 for about 35-45 minutes, probably about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally, keep an eye on it. Then I'm going to take my Brussels. Now you can leaf out the Brussels like I'm doing, peel the leaves off. It's nice, it gives you bigger leaves, but it takes a lot of time, so I end up just usually cutting them from the top down. Nice thin cuts. Put those in a bowl. Add some olive oil, and just toss that with the olive oil, and then it's going to go into a medium hot pan just to crisp them up. So I'm going to dump them in the pan, stirring often. Probably takes about 10 minutes, 10-12 minutes on a medium heat. Give those a stir, and you can see how those caramelize really nicely. Look how brown those are. Not burnt, but nice color to them. Then I'm gonna make my aioli. I'm doing this super simple. I'm using mayonnaise, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, a couple teaspoons of mustard, and some apple cider vinegar. Mix that up. Turn my Brussels. Oh man, it is so good. Just gonna mix those together. And there's one sauce, and I felt like doing something a little crazy, so I decided to do a ketchup version as well, which is straight up ketchup. Add the Brussels, mix that up. You could add some hot sauce if you want to add a little spice to it, which would be really nice too. Then my delicata is going to come out of the oven. Look at those, beautiful. Going to add some salt, mix those around a little bit, and we are ready to serve. All right, our delicata Creole fries are done. All that's left is to try them out. That is so good. Wow. Easy to make. You're going to love this one. Try it out. I really think you're going to like it. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. Let me try the tomato one. It's delicious. Wow.